Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope all of you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to describe an English conversation practice between two friends. So you can get an idea how can a conversation between two friends be possible when we are talking in terms of English speaking. So here we go. Hey Sarah, how are you? I'm good. Emma, how are you? I am amazing. Great. Take the seat. This seat is empty. Thank you. Long time no see. Yeah, been busy with college. What about you? Same. I've been busy with college too. What are you doing now? I just finished my graduation. What are you doing? I am doing BS at a nearby college. That's nice. How comes you are on this train today? My college is located here, so I travel every day by this train. How comes you are here? We had our convocation today, so everyone had to come and collect his degree. Oh, congratulations! That's so nice to hear. I've been traveling throughout my graduation by this train. Hmm. After being tired for the whole day, it is a relief to board in an empty train. Haha, exactly. What about your BS? When is your course coming to an end? Oh, it's going to take another year. One more year to go? Yeah, I hope it goes well. Don't worry, it will go very well. What are your future plans? What do you want to do? Believe me, it's nothing to boast about. You know that the demands for jobs are very high nowadays. Yeah, and you were the topper of our class at the school level. Well, nobody values education anymore. Don't say that. I'm sure something great is waiting for you. Hmm, let's see what happens. Anyways, leaving studies and job aside, tell me about auntie and uncle. How are they? My mom, she talks about you a lot. Remember, you used to spend your holidays at our house? Why would I forget? I still remember the taste of auntie's cooked meal. So, where do you live now? Currently, I live in Karachi, and it's very hectic nowadays. Hey, do you remember Sophia? Of course, I remember. She was that beautiful girl, right? Yes, yes. Do you know she's acting now in a TV serial? What? That's great. I've lost contact with almost everyone. Give me your contact number. We have a WhatsApp group of all of our school friends, and I will add you there. That's a nice idea. I will give it to you. Sure. It was lovely seeing you again. Bye for now. Yeah, same here. Hope to see you again. I hope the same too. Take cares. Bye. Bye bye. Now viewers, after watching this video and listening the dialogues between the two friends, now is the time for the question. The question is, where is Sophia working nowadays? Where is Sophia working nowadays? Please answer this question in the comment box below. Thank you very much for watching. Take cares. Bye bye.